You may be hearing how the housing market is in the doldrums, but behind every cloud, there's a silver lining. This is James Jones with Urban Lux, and this is your monthly market update for October 2022. Sales are down this year, but home appreciation is still strong. Most sellers have a lot of equity in their homes. If you've owned your home for 2 years or more, you most likely have seen at least a 30% appreciation in its value. The real silver lining in today's market is it's a great time to be a buyer. Buyers have a window of opportunity right now that they haven't seen for quite some time. Many buyers were disappointed looking for homes over the last few years. There were few homes to choose from, and each one seemed to have a bidding war going on with multiple offers, and they often sold for thousands over the asking price. That market is gone. Today's buyers have more homes to choose from, and typically the fourth quarter of this year is the best time to be a buyer, with more homes to choose from and less competition. In today's market, sellers must do more to sell their homes. Prices are more competitive, and sellers are offering concessions at record rates. Concessions could be in the form of help with closing costs or today's most popular concession, the seller rate buydown. Rather than lower prices, which barely affects a buyer's monthly payment, they are offering to buy down the interest rate. Today's median home price is $445,000. With a 20% down payment and a mortgage interest rate of 7.1%, a buyer would have a monthly principal and interest payment of $2,392. If the seller lowers the price $15,000, the buyer saves $80 a month in their mortgage payment. But if the seller uses that money to buy down the interest rate, the buyer can save over $235 a month in their payment. Talk to a lender for specific costs and details on mortgage rate buydowns. We can't predict the future, but based on historical trends, home values tend to go up over time. Most housing experts are saying it's a good time to buy as long as it's a long-term investment. Believe it or not, there's still a housing shortage in the valley, and once interest rates drop, we expect to see buyer activity quickly return and put us right back into a seller's market. If you're thinking of making a move in the near future, I'm here to help. Let's sit down and chat about your needs and market conditions and create an action plan that works for you. I'm James Jones, and thanks for listening.